Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed guide on maintaining the internal components of your HP 15EQ240NS laptop. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and cleaning its internal parts. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power in the device. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is vital for your safety and to prevent any accidental short circuits. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Start by inspecting the cooling fan and heatsink. Dust accumulation can significantly affect performance. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. Next, check the RAM and hard drive. Ensure that they are securely seated in their slots. If you notice any dust on these components, use the compressed air to clean them gently. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Once the back panel is secured, reinsert the battery if applicable, and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. For those who prefer not to handle this maintenance themselves, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home. This service means no calls, no travel, and you can have your laptop serviced without leaving your house. In conclusion, regular internal maintenance is essential for the longevity of your HP 15EQ140NS. By following these steps, you can ensure that your laptop remains in top condition. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.